Hello guys, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. Muli tayo nagbabalik sa ating pagbablog ng kitchen equipment guys. Nandito ulit tayo sa workshop so far sa Jeddah. At tayo ay mag-check ng microwave oven from our customer. Actually guys, sa McDonald's 4 na unit yung dinala nilang microwave oven. Ang brand nila MenuMaster. MenuMaster yung brand ng microwave. 4 sila. Ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, 3 yan. Yan yung brand niya, MenuMaster. May kahoy sa ibabaw. Yan, wala yan, ito lang napatungan siya. Guys, pero yan yung luma yung isa. Yan. Tapos nandito na yung isa. Nabuksan na namin guys yung isa. Ang problema nito guys, hindi umiinit siguro. Yun ang mga karamihang complaint nila. Hindi umiinit. Tapos siguro malakas ang ugong. So rectify natin kung ano yung problema guys. Itong microwave na to. As usual guys, recap ulit tayo sa ating microwave. Ito yung ating high voltage transformer. Ito yung primary, secondary. Ito yung primary, secondary. Ano yan? 4,000 volts. Tapos meron tayong triac dito para sa power supply. Yung cooling fan. Yan. May fuse tayo dyan. Fuse. Tapos yung ating starter motor para sa antenna. Yan. Ito yung ating control board sa mga relay sa magnetron. Power supply, yan yun. Power supply transformer ng control board, yan. Tapos meron tayo ditong filter. Ito naman yung ating filter, ito yung sa power. Noise filter guys yung tawag yan, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Tapos meron tayong yung thermal cavity overload protector o overheat protector. Yan, nakakabit sa magnetron. Dalawa yung magnetron niya guys. Ito yung isa sa taas. Yan. Ito yung sa baba. Tapos meron tayong high voltage transformer, high voltage capacitor, rectifier. Meron tayong rectifier dito. Yan. Ito yung ating mga interlock switch. Ito naman yung sa pintuan yan. Yan yung pag may problema dito guys, nagkakaroon ng issue yung unit. Either na hindi umiinit yan. Yan, ganyan lang yan. Recap lang muna tayo guys. Ito yung MenuMaster pa rin na ating ginagawa at gagawin. Tayo may bulb dito, yung ating ilaw nandito, yan, cabinet light, yan yun. Tapos meron tayong dito sa loob, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Recap lang muna tayo guys. Ito yung ating touchpad control, yan, may screen ditong maliit. Start off, yan lang, reset. Tapos ito, meron tayo dito yung grease hole dito sa taas, cover. Tapos yung antenna natin guys, nandito yan. Sandali lang, buksan ko lang muna at mahirap buksan. Meron tayo, ito yung antenna natin na tinatawag yan. Yan, ito guys, yan, maitim na, di ba? Nag-i-spark yan kasi carbon yan eh. So itatry natin bakit nasira yung ang problema nito. Hopefully minor issue lang. May problema rito kasi tag dito maitim. Baka nasusunog yan habang umiikot. Umaapoy. Pero wala naman siyang mark dito sa cover. Wala siyang mark ng sunog. So as usual, ito yung ating ceramic. Tapos may antenna yan guys sa ilalim. Marami. Sunog yata ito. So yun muna guys, at sige, i-check natin kung ano yung problema. Gamit tayo guys ng multi-tester, yung recap pa rin tayo 360 TR yung ating tester. Okay na, that's okay.
Hello.
No, this okay, yeah boss. I want to check this only. Sige, okay na, it's okay na. I want to... So pag check nito guys, siyempre negative positive. Kailangan ito, makikita nyo, ilagay natin dito sa times 100k ohms, yan. Yan yun. Okay, and you're gonna see here, oh my god, what happened? It's okay or not okay? This one open and the other one is open also. What is this? Kabayong buntis? Yeah, it's something wrong. It's open. This is defective. It's open already. No resistance, no continuity, nothing at all. It means this is broken already. It's busted. So guys, ang natin, hihiramin natin yung magnetron dun sa kabilang, yung high voltage rectifier doon sa kabilang unit para matest natin yung yung binuksan natin dito, kasi yan sira yung rectifier niya, hindi siya gagana, kaya i-try natin hiramin para testing pa yung ibang parts kung gumagana, gaya ng magnetron, kasi yung magnetron guys, lagi yan pag tester laging zero yan. So gusto nating malaman kung iinit o hindi. So ito, buksan natin to at ilipat natin yung parts doon sa kabila para matesting. Actually isang customer lang naman to pero ang problema kasi nito, gaya niya yan, sunog yung niya wala na to. Pag nasunog tong cavity body niya, wala na yung tapon na to.
This that?
Yeah, no problem. You can borrow it. Try natin guys na testingin yung diode. Masyada. Don't touch, don't hold the tip because this is sensitive. Other side. Make opposite. Reverse. Yeah, see? See guys? This is the good one.
Good one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good one?
Yes. Very good. May mali guys na hindi pares pala yung model number niya. Kaya yung diode niya walang cable. Yan. So magbubukas ulit kami ng ibang unit. Where's that same model? Yeah, class, open here, backside. Yeah, just open it. Yeah. And So ito kasi guys yung kailangan namin, yung ganyang klase para maabot doon sa ano. Actually ma-fix yung kaso magmo-modified pa eh. So we need this type of rectifier with wire, with cable. So we will try to take from other machine. Okay. Where did you put this one? Be careful. Check the one you how to fix. Check the cable. Check the cable. How did you fix? How did you? Oh, you have wiring diagram in the cover. You can read. Ito guys, ipa-plug na natin yung unit at titistingin natin by Engineer Saud, yung ating Chief Assistant Engineer. Okay, Engineer, plug in, booming. I will run, I will go. I don't like any sound, boom. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's okay.
Sound is good.
Yeah, yeah. Boom. We'll see, it sounds good, huh? We will try to test. Yeah, door is open. Ready, should be ready. Ready. And the fucking light only. I'll issue the light. Light is busted. So let us try if the water is getting. So yun guys, ang ano natin, mga minor issue, yung ating rectifier dito, yung ating rectifier, naka high voltage tayo ngayon guys. Yan, gumagana yung fan, kakabit na ni Engineer Saud yung kanilang, sige na, put it there inside. We'll see, and if there is blast, don't put a screwdriver, huh? Yala, no problem, put it there. Put number 2. Why are you scared?
You say glass.
Yeah, it's 22 amperes. It's okay.
Big.
Yeah, 22 amperes, guys. I think some issue for magnetron.
Magnetron.
Yeah, can you close now? Remove the casa. I want to see. It's get hot. Take out. Close again. It's get. Ano siya? High ampere. Gumagana siya, umiinit. High ampere. Ang suspect natin yung magnetron. Magpalit tayo ng magnetron. So magtanggal tayo ng isang magnetron dito at try natin kung ano yan. Kasi umiinit naman eh. Hindi siya umuugong, baka magnetron. It's okay.
This way.
No, this is small.
Ah, no problem.
This is small, see?
Because you stay there.
Yeah, this is one like this. Magnetron. Maybe magnetron, guys. Pala guys yung yung ating magnetron. Recap ulit tayo. Toshiba, made in Japan, Thailand pala to, made in Thailand, produced by Toshiba Thailand. Ito yung ating magnetron na tinatawag. Ito yung nagpo-produce ng voltahe na ilang libong voltahe ito. Anong pinoproduce nito? Yan, mga ganyan. Dito nakakonek yung ating high voltage galing doon sa high voltage transformer yan. So pinapatanggal natin yung iba at iti-check natin kasi high ampere ito eh. So itatry natin kung alin yung may problema dyan. So yan muna guys at standby lang tayo para ma-check natin ng properly kung ano talaga yung ma-rectify natin kung ano yung sira talaga nito. No, because there is lock here, the exhaust here is connected there. Okay. Okay na. What happened? Good out? Space also. Open lights. Jump.
No.
Tulit ba kaya model kabiragbar? Ayun na. Screw or no? Huh?
No problem.
You can fix now. Because if this one okay pala, no need to remove. Ayun na. Tight. Tight wala tight. This one is fault there. Not here inside. The antenna. Remove. High ampere. Guys, unabot na tayo ng break time. Time check muna tayo. 12:27 na ng tanghali. So break time muna tayo guys at umaya ulit tayo bumalik. We'll come back after lunch again guys. Okay. And we have a schedule also guys in outside. We have one dishwasher. We have to meron tayo guys chichikin sa labas na dishwasher mamaya after lunch. Sarado pa kasi yung kanina umaga kaya after lunch na lang daw. Okay. Break muna tayo guys. Lunch time na. Kaya lalabas muna tayo. Tayo kakain sa labas. Wala na eh. Wala na luto-luto kasi alam mo naman, buhay OFW ganyan. Tanghali walang luto. Kasi magluluto ka pa. Ang break 1 oras at kalahati lang. So magsa-sandwich lang tayo para maano lang yung ating sikmura, malamnan. Tayo kakain na. Okay, let's go.